Now what am I going to need for this whole job? Probably just a Phillips screwdriver. That is, after I open this. Sometimes you can pop this open. Other times you have to use your 10 snips and get that open. Okay. Kind of pull this out. Here's the nice new strike plate, and I like sometimes strike plates come with that little hole in there. See there? Then you just take your screw. If you need to adjust this, you take your screwdriver, put it in there, and just kind of. Lots of door strikes don't have that hole, so if you need to adjust it, then you have to take this whole thing off, get your pliers, grab it like that, take your pliers on there, and then bend that over, put it in. If you didn't bend it enough, you have to take it out. I've taken a strike plate out sometimes 3 times, maybe even 4 times, once or twice, to adjust the strike tab because I didn't have a groove on there like that. The only thing with these, you've got to be really careful because there's not much metal that's holding this in. See those little tabs? That's it. If you bend this too far and then you have to push it back and you try to do that, you know, too many times, you could snap that off. And I've seen a strike plate like this before with this snapped off because there's not much metal holding it on there. You just have to be careful. You know, here's that round little plate. See, here's your latch. Here's your latch, and if you needed to take this off, you look on the back. See, there's a little notch right there. No notch, no notch. But here's another one. See, there's a notch there, and on the very opposite side, there's a notch there. You see? And you would take your screwdriver, put it in there, and tweak it. And that pops that off, and then this backing plate pops off. Then you can take this, and then you have to figure out which direction to put it, obviously. And it pushes right over that. See, it would go on that way, right like that. And you push it on there, kaboom, fits right in perfectly. It snaps right in. But I'm not going to need those, am I? So that part I'm not going to need. And I try to keep all the stuff here because at the end, if you're replacing your knobs or sometimes if you have paddle handles and you're replacing them because they're 15 years old and you want to replace them, just throw them in the same box before you throw them away. You know? And it comes with all the goodies that you need. Usually it comes with just enough screws, and they don't normally give you any extra. Okay. Here's your two mounting screws for the door. Okay. Here's this little key that if you needed to change the handle swing, you would push that in there, and this is on a spring-loaded thing. You just push it, and you can feel it push, and you only have to push it a little bit, and then you just pull that off, and you do it on both sides, and then you flip them around and pop it back in. That's what that's going to be for. But I'm going to save that, and I'm going to put that up above the door. So if anybody ever needs to use it as a screwdriver, they can just reach up above the door, take this and twist it. Use it as a screwdriver. You can put a dime in there, penny in there, your fingernail, screwdriver, whatever, to open it if you get locked out for something or you need to get in. And then your wood screws, 2 for the door strike plate and 2 for your door latch. Okay? Oh, and speaking of door latch, lots of times I'm going to use this. And I just use it because, well, check out this next segment and you'll see what I do. Okay, I've got my door latch. I think you can see that. And the old one, when I pulled it out, it left that backing plate And yeah, see, I'm gonna have to take that out, dabbity nabbit. Sometimes they're big enough and you can just take this and slide it in there. That was like a backing plate. See that black thing in there? I'm gonna have to wedge that out with a screwdriver and get that out. And I told you the whole thing would get installed with just a Phillips screwdriver, but of course you're gonna have to do stuff to get things out like this, and I'm gonna have to be careful with that. All right, so I'm gonna work on that and get that out. Be right back with you.